To install CADIO firmware on ESP32, we need to download the latest CADIO firmware and the ESP Flash download tool. All these files can be downloaded from CADIO Downloads Center. Now we open the ESP Flash download tool and select ESP32. The ESP32 firmware consists of 4 binary files. Every binary file is located in a folder named with the address of the inside file. We should select the 4 binary files and set their addresses. We can easily select the file, then write the folder name as the address. And set the flash mode to DIO, and the speed to 80 MHz. Then select the port. Then click Erase to clear the ESP flash from any stored data. In some cases we may need to press boot button to start ESP downloading mode. After erasing the flash, we click Start to download the firmware on the ESP. When downloading done, we reset the ESP, and after seconds, CADIO firmware will be installed and the ESP will be ready for receiving the info file.